In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove contact records from a static list in HubSpot. In order to do that, you firstly navigate to the list. You can find them by going over to your contacts or CRM and then finding the list options directly right here. It's also called segments, so make sure to click on that. So once you have clicked on this will open the object list onto this page wherein you can manage them all together. Now just wait for this right here. And in here you can find all the segments that you currently have. So just click onto the segments and click on edit. And then after that, you can head over and remove contacts from this particular segment. You can change right here and exclude them. Then choose right here the segment to exclude, as well as individual contacts. You can just add those right there. Then after that, just save the changes in order to exclude them altogether or remove them from this. Once you're done, save your changes so it can be reduced onto the next part of your pipeline. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.